Okay, so last day in Taipei. What we're going to be doing is walking all the way down through all these little alleys. And I've been here a couple other days, and I kind of just focused on one street. Today I'm going to go down the alleys and just kind of check it all out. We'll see how it is. So here we are in Taipei in Ximending on a weekend. Check it out, Taipei 2023. Okay, so here we are in Taipei. Let's check out Ximending. Got lots of people everywhere. We're gonna get into the shade a little bit. And we're gonna check it all out. Let me give you a little bit of a background. Yesterday was Chinese New Year, so today is Chinese New Year Day. Yesterday was Chinese New Year Eve. So yesterday it was really quiet everywhere. Everybody was home with their family. And today it's the opposite. So we're gonna try to capture. I'm gonna try to go to the left here because it's more interesting if I can walk into the people a little bit. So everybody walks on the right, and but I'm gonna try to break that and walk on the left. Got some kind of cool stuff. Let me come in here a little bit. And usually on my channel I usually focus on streets. I think today I'm just gonna meander around Ximending. We're gonna do that for about 15 minutes probably. Just kind of get you in a feeling of what it's like. I think it's kind of cool. I'm walking kind of fast because I want to get into the alley part. Taiwan musty combo. Okay, so it looks like we're kind of in a centerpiece right now. Let me see. So we could go down. There's this alley that ends down at that, like about 2-3 blocks away. That'll end about a block away. Got some kind of cool music over here. Let's see. Maybe we can drop some money in there. Support some artists. So I think I'll just give them the coins that I got here. Actually, the CDs are 300. That's not bad. I'm actually just going to give some of my coins here. So let me just get some of these organized. I'm just going to drop all these into the thing. I got all those. I'll just drop those in. It's about what's the price of a CD? Cheers, Mike. Cheers. Pretty cool. Yeah, pretty cool. So we'll come back and film a little bit more in this area. Check it all out. So this is basically the station. So we just came in here, kind of walk around a little bit, and we're going to kind of go towards this other direction a little bit now. We got the music as a background. And I also want to get into the alleys a little bit. I don't know if this is... Thinking in the evening, it's kind of beautiful with all the lights coming down. Actually, I stayed in this area a couple nights, and then I moved to another location, and kind of wish I was staying here again. It's easy to step out. There's like everything you need is right in this area. So, and this is kind of the Shibuya or Shinjuku. It's kind of a lot of young people, so which is okay, but I'm not a young person anymore, so but I still feed off the energy. Okay, so I think what we're gonna have to do is go towards an alley. So we're kind of looking, we're kind of gonna come out to an end of a road right here, so maybe I'll go down this alley over here. Yeah, actually, they're all kind of pedestrian streets, and actually more of Asia, well, it does. That's one of the beautiful things about Asia. There's a lot of pedestrian streets. More of the world should have them. Or more of North America, I guess. Got a ton of food in here. Oh, I had these at Shibuya night market. Those are like little candy strawberries. So really tasty. Let's get into the shade a little bit. I think this next street is called Tattoo Street. This next cross street called Hanjiao, because I focused on it when I first got here, and a lot of shops are closed, and I think it's because of the holidays. But it looks like now they might all be back. We'll see if it is actually body piercing. There are tattoos, but I think most of them are just clothing shops. More alleys. I'm gonna go towards that live music. It's also kind of cool too. They have all these chairs for people to sit as well. Okay, so let's check out where this live music is coming from. Might need to pull out some more coins. Actually, I gave that one guy so many coins that I could have got a free CD. Oh, there he is. I'm up behind him. Let's go down this other alley. Trying to get into the shade a little bit. Okay, you got lots more street food over here. And I think let's kind of go to the end over there. The main train station is that way as well. We're gonna head over this way to a different direction for you. Try to get over to the shade a little bit. And I like to be on this side because people are coming at me. You see their faces rather than their backs. Okay, it looks like we're kind of coming up to this little centerpiece. So I've noticed that there's a lot of performances over here. I wonder how they rent the space though. I wonder if it's first come or they have to like do a petition or something. come back out of there. Somebody's right behind me. Okay. So we're gonna come over to this side and we'll see if we can get a better view. Looks like we can. Actually, I saw that artist the other day, so I guess he somehow got that spot. Okay, let me just see here. Actually, Ximending is pretty cool, but it is kind of small. You can't just go every direction endlessly. Okay, so we're at about 10 minutes, so I think what I'm going to do is just meander. Got a lantern festival coming up. So we're going to meander down this main street here. And around this way. I need to get some food. I saw this one kind of noodle shop that was really it's like creative pasta. We'll try to find it if we can. Here it is, pasta bar. So yeah, I've been kind of itching to try this one right here. Pesto sauce clams. But this place is so popular all the time. It's called the pasta bar. But yeah, it's kind of a popular little spot. So I'm definitely gonna get in line. So we're gonna end this one, and I'll just come up into the middle. Into the shade. So we were in this Ximending. Okay, so the bread arrived first. It's really tasty. It's really soft and hot. So I keep eating it, but I was going to try to keep it for the pasta. But we'll show you the pasta as well, but this is the bread. Okay, and we got it. So here we go. We got some clams in there, and some pasta and some pesto. It's going to be tasty. Actually, this is really, really tasty. Actually, it's amazing. There's pesto with this spaghetti. Wow. It's really, really good. Taipei. There's so much more to see, so just keep on checking the channel and checking it all out. Come on, let's go.